How to open a Facebook business account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to open your Facebook business account, first and foremost, visit any of your preferred browser and go to business.facebook.com. If you already have an account, you can log in using your Facebook or you can create a new account on your Meta Facebook Business Center. For this, you can choose the option and then give in your details, or you could directly log in if you already have your account created for the business center. Once that is done, tap on the login button and it should now take you to the business settings. Hereby, you should be able to access your business account dashboard. From here, you can create and add business account and also provide the necessary business details. Additionally, you also have the option to set off automatic replies, check for the contact details, edit the contents, check for the ads, insights, and much more. You can see all of the business tools via this Facebook business page. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.